Okay, so we're just after coming across a little bit of an error there with one of the things. And one of the reasons for that was when you were cleaning your data. So one of the reasons you cleaned your data was to try and get rid of any blank stuff or any things like that. But sometimes a half a bit of data or something could kind of get through unbeknownst. Or in one of your examples here, one of you had the following example where you got a blank bit of data in at the start, and that's an error. We can't have a value coming through like that. So one of the ways to try and get around that, or there's a couple of different ways, is when you've cleaned your data, you can just say to yourself, if the length of data is greater than zero. Now it has to be greater than zero. That's not a bit of something or that. And then make sure that you have everything kind of indented inside this thing as I go down here. So look, some of you might not come across it because you might get all your data perfectly fine. But that is one thing that may help, and I'll just run this just to make sure. And then the 20 is going along there, no problem. So I have a few extra readings now, hopefully going to be appended, so I'll stop. And I'll go back into my graph and analyze data here and run it again. So I've got some extra readings now. You can see there I added on 4 more readings, did I? I had a reading of, no, number 8 was 22, then I was down at 20, 20, 20. So it's looking like this now at the moment. So that's one thing that can be done when it comes in. And I suppose, we'll see how that goes for some of you. There may be something else that needs to be fixed up as well.